Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get greed in Voidpet Dungeon. Alright, so I'm inside Voidpet Dungeon, and today I'm trying to get one of the cooler pets in the game, Greed. If you've been playing for a while, you probably noticed this void pet popping up in the guides and tier list. So naturally, I had to see how to get it myself. The first thing I learned is that Greed doesn't just randomly appear everywhere. After certain global donations goals in a game are completed, Greed can start spawning in locations like Dust Valley or Ghost Road North, which means you actually need to explore those areas and keep running battles there. So what I usually do is jump into the zones and run a few fights until Greed finally shows up, and when it does, trust me, you'll notice, it's part of the Seven Sins Void Pets, and it's a fire type with pretty solid combat potential. Honestly, the hardest part is patience, because sometimes it feels like the game knows you're hunting for it and decides to play hard to get. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.